are the geese, and they are walking. Here's the family. Geese family. They're drinking water. Oh my God, they are swimming now. Here they are. The geese are looking for food, and they are eating the grass. Look how beautiful they are. Perfect. So beautiful. They're probably training how to swim. Oh, here they are coming out. Gorgeous. Here's a duck. See, so swimming flawlessly. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh. I don't know. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So you don't want to make them aggressive, so you want to keep the distance, Chinara. Yeah. Goodbye.